Hey, beautiful people. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that almost every woman loves. Seriously, 99% of women enjoy oral sex in their lives. If you want to know how to become unforgettable in the bedroom, how to give her pleasure that she'll crave again and again, then you're in the right place. I'm going to share the secrets, the science, and the exact step-by-step techniques to turn you into the lover she thinks about long after the night ends. No shame, no awkwardness, just raw, real pleasure. So stay tuned, because what I'm about to share could change your love life forever. The shocking truth about oral sex. Did you know that oral sex is one of the most pleasurable acts for nearly all women? In fact, studies show that 99% of women have enjoyed oral sex at some point in their lives. Yet, so many people don't give it the attention or respect it deserves. Oral sex is not just physical pleasure, it's an intimate act of connection, desire, and trust. It's a way to slow down and worship your partner's body like the goddess she truly is. And here's the best part, you don't have to be a pro from day one. With just a few powerful techniques, you can become the kind of lover who leaves her breathless and begging for more. Understanding her body, the pleasure map. To master oral sex, you need to know the landscape, her body. The clitoris is the epicenter of female pleasure, but it's much more than just the little nub you see on the surface. It extends inside, wrapping around the vaginal canal, creating multiple pleasure zones. Don't forget the labia, those sensitive inner and outer lips, and the vaginal opening, which all respond beautifully to different kinds of touch, kisses, licks, gentle suction. Most men focus on one spot and miss the full spectrum of her pleasure. When you explore every inch with curiosity and care, you unlock deeper sensations she's been craving. For men receiving oral, the head of the penis, especially the underside called the frenulum, is insanely sensitive. Slow, deliberate tongue and lip movements combined with varied suction are key. The power of communication, your secret weapon. Want to turn oral sex into pure magic? Talk to her. Ask her what she loves, what makes her moan, what she wants more or less of. A simple, sexy, tell me what feels good, can make her melt. Pay close attention to her sounds, her breathing, her hips moving, they all tell you what's working. Remember, oral sex is a conversation, a playful dance between two people discovering each other's bodies. When you show genuine interest in her pleasure, you instantly become 10 times more irresistible. Step-by-step oral sex techniques to drive her wild. For her cunnilingus, start slow, kiss and lick the inner thighs and hips to build anticipation. Circle her labia softly with your tongue, switching between gentle and firmer pressure. Lightly flick the clitoral hood with your tongue like a feather teasing her skin. Alternate slow, steady licks with quick, teasing flicks for surprise. Use your lips to softly suck her clit. Don't be shy, this builds incredible heat. Breathe warm air on her skin between licks. The mix of wet tongue and warm breath drives her crazy. If she's comfortable, gently add 1 or 2 fingers inside while your tongue worships her clit. For him fellatio, begin with teasing kisses and gentle licks around the shaft, paying special attention to the frenulum underneath the head. Use your tongue to swirl around the tip, flick underneath, and trace the veins along the shaft. Take him deeper gradually, but only as far as feels comfortable. Don't force a gag reflex. Use your hands in rhythm with your mouth, stroking the base while your tongue and lips work the head. Play with suction, not too strong, just enough to pull him closer and intensify sensations. Vary your speed and pressure, slow it down to build suspense, then pick up speed when he's near climax. Don't forget the balls, gentle kisses and light sucking make the whole experience more intense. Body position and energy. Change up your positions to keep things fresh and find what feels best. Use your whole body, hands, lips, tongue, breath. Be playful, confident, and completely present in the moment. Overcoming nervousness and awkwardness. Feeling shy or nervous is completely normal. The trick is to relax and breathe. Focus on connection instead of perfection. If you're worried about gagging, remember to breathe through your nose and don't push yourself too deep. Focus on the parts you enjoy and grow your confidence over time. Your genuine effort and care will mean far more to her than flawless technique. How oral sex builds deeper intimacy. Oral sex is more than just physical pleasure, it's a way to build emotional intimacy and trust. When you focus on giving pleasure, you open a door to vulnerability and connection that goes beyond words. It's a way to show her that her pleasure matters deeply to you, and that kind of worship sparks passion like nothing else. Hygiene safety tips. Keep things fresh by brushing your teeth, trimming your nails, and washing your hands. If you want extra safety, use dental dams or condoms. Good hygiene not only protects your health, it also makes everything feel more comfortable and sexy. Final thoughts: become an oral sex master. Remember, 99% of women love oral sex, which means you have a golden opportunity to become the partner she can't resist. It's about curiosity, communication, confidence, and care. Practice, listen, and explore together. If you want to keep getting better, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below with your questions or stories. Let's keep this conversation open and sexy. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and make her world melt.